In case you miss it, ito yung resulta ng tune-up game ng Gilas Pilipinas kontra sa Jordan na ginanap sa Jeddah, Saudi Arabia at nanalo nga ang Gilas Pilipinas laban sa Jordan sa score na 75-61. Konti lang yung detalye natin sa game na ito, no, dahil closed door yung naging larong ito. Ngunit meron din tayong nakuhang impormasyon from the SBP based sa kanilang post sa social media at nakita nga natin sa kanilang mga post na at the half ay lamang ang Gilas 40-29, and then in the third quarter lamang pa rin ang Gilas 55-47 bago nagwagi itong Gilas Pilipinas laban sa Jordan, no? Very low scoring game yung labanan ng Gilas at ng Jordan, which which proves na naging defensive battle itong larong ito between Gilas and Jordan, no, which is yun naman ang gusto ni Coach Tim ko, no, na maging defensive oriented ang Gilas heading into the FIBA Asia Cup tournament, no. So based on the score ay mukhang naging depensahan yung naging labanan dito. So and definitely yun ang gusto ni Coach Tim Cone, depensa, no, especially after that first tune-up game against Macau na high scoring. Gilas gave up 12 points sa tres in the first half against Macau before eventually coming back from 21 points down to win that tune-up game held at a Smart Araneta Coliseum. Well, despite being a low scoring game ay mukhang nagpakita rin naman ng opensa itong Gilas, especially in the fourth quarter, dahil based sa kanilang post, no, sa social media, no, nabanggit nila na Kevin Kiambao, Calvin Oftana, Dwight Ramos, and Scotty Thompson hit key threes in the fourth to keep Jordan at bay. So based po yan sa post ng SBP sa kanilang Facebook page, at mukhang tumama din yung mga tres ng Gilas in this game. And nabanggit nga nila yung mga players na yan, 4 na players ang umiscore ng tres. And that includes Calvin Oftana na questionable pa yung status niya heading into the FIBA Asia Cup. Pero kasama siya sa team. Nilista siya sa Final 12 ng Gilas for the FIBA Asia Cup. Kasama siya sa biyahe, and based dun sa post ng SBP na yan, ay mukhang nagkaroon din ng impact itong si Calvin Oftana sa game na to, despite yung kanyang iniindang ankle injuries in his left foot and right foot na kanyang nasustain noong PBA Philippine Cup Finals nung kinalaban nila yung San Miguel during the championship. So yan po yung ilang detalye, no, ng naging laro between Gilas and Jordan. Like I mentioned nga, closed door yung game, walang fans. So I believe upon the request rin niya ng Jordan, no, na talagang walang audience, and even videos, balita ko bawal din, no, especially live stream. Kaya kung sa mga nagtatanong dyan kung bakit walang live stream, ayun na nga po, dahil nga po closed door yung game, walang audience, walang fans, sila lang po yung naandun sa venue yan. So again, dyan na nagtatapos yung tune-up series ng Gilas, which was a short one dahil 2 tune-up games lang ang Gilas Pilipinas heading into the Asia Cup. In their first game, nabanggit nga natin, they defeated yung Macau Black Bears sa score na 103-98 sa Araneta Coliseum, a high-scoring game. At eventually, napanalunan nga ng Gilas yung larong yan despite trailing by as many as 21. So after that tune-up game against Jordan, we will now be shifting our focus na sa FIBA Asia Cup na mismo in Jeddah, Saudi Arabia, na kung saan ang ating first game, it's going to be against Chinese Taipei. So abangan ng buong bansa yan, especially yung ating mga basketball fans. Again, a reminder sa mga fans natin from sa Jeddah, no? Shoutout sa inyo. Comment kayo dyan down below kung viewer kayo sa Jeddah. At reminder, that's going to be on Tuesday, 9 p.m. sa Jeddah. Yan po yung local time ng laro. That is going to be the final game of the day sa opening day ng FIBA Asia Cup 2025. Yung larong yan between Gilas and Chinese Taipei, and being a primetime game, uh, we can expect na magiging full house yan, no? Full of Filipino fans ang manonood sa venue, no? And kung kayo naman ay nasa Pilipinas, it's going to be on Wednesday, 2 a.m. So, puyatan po yan. 2 a.m. ang laro ng Gilas against Chinese Taipei. Sa Miyerkules naman po yan, Philippine time. So, yan po. Aabangan na po natin yung first game ng Gilas Pilipinas sa FIBA Asia Cup. And we will recap yung mga games ng Gilas in our videos dito sa ating YouTube channel. So, kayo, anong tingin nyo? Are you happy naman sa naging preparation ng Gilas Pilipinas for the FIBA Asia Cup 2025? Comment down below. Manonood ba kayo? Tiga Jeddah ba kayo or tiga Saudi Arabia? Let us know kung manonood kayo ng game ng Gilas laban sa Chinese Taipei. So, ayan na po. Diyan na po nagtatapos yung ating update, no? With regards to the tune-up game of Gilas Pilipinas laban sa Jordan. Ako po si Ruben Terrado. Please continue to watch our videos. Consider subscribing and read our stories sa spin.ph. Thank you for watching.